This last week has been crazy for Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrencies. We've seen coins like Trump going skyrocket, the ones like Melanie going skyrocket but upside down, and other things that are coming out. But I think we're probably just about to initiate the best time for cryptocurrencies, because obviously the massive adoption is there, and I think we're going to have some great movements up, but obviously we'll probably need some retracements as well, as we'll see now further in the video. First of all, I want to mention that right at the moment we are in a range in the Bitcoin. If we go to technical analysis, we are between this range between 90 and 106, and as well it's more or less near of what the analysis we can see on Cointelegraph. It goes from 100k to 110k. Personally, I think it can chop down to 90k more or less until the Form C is released. Once the federal meeting completes the 28th and 29th of January, we'll probably be able to see some more movements on Bitcoin, especially obviously on the dollar, and perhaps we can see how it breaks through here and reaches 110, 120, 130k, or it goes below to the levels of 73k more or less. Especially if it comes down to this level here, like I've said in past videos, this is going to be a nice buy level for me from 80 to 70, and as well a huge level that we've got down here that is 50k. This would be my special level to buy if it comes down to here. I'm talking me personally, remember it's not a financial advice. If we go a bit deeper, we can see this market structure level here. If price goes below, then obviously we'll probably see a Bitcoin at 91,000 more or less at the bottom of this range. Depends if it reaches there before or after the Fed. If it reaches before the Fed, it will probably stay more or less around here. If it comes down with the Fed, then it will probably go a bit lower, maybe to, like I mentioned, that maybe to the level that I mentioned before, that is more or less 75k would be more or less the medium level where it could reach, because obviously we can't forget we have a huge fair value gap at this on here and one down below, but we'll probably forget this level because this level will probably be touched in the next bear run, so we won't be thinking about that one right at the moment. But this level here has got high probability to get touched and have a retracement back up, unless it gets touched in the bear market that will have in a few months or years. We'll have to see how long this bull run lasts, but obviously it's looking quite good. It's maintaining good levels, and if it keeps pushing up and the Fed this week comes in head, we could see Bitcoin easily going up to 150, 120 perhaps, the psychological levels that I think could have a nice bounce. We'll have to see how it goes. Obviously we can't predict the future, but we can always have a nice good technical analysis and always have good levels to buy. And we can't forget that the US Gov is going to buy 200,000 Bitcoins every year for the next 5 years to match up a total of 1 million Bitcoin. This could take market cap up to $1 trillion. I mean, above it is right at the moment. If things say more or less similar, we'll be looking at 3 trillions of market cap. That's got to impulse price at 50% higher. So it's more or less guaranteed that if this happens, then in the next 5 years we'll be seeing Bitcoin at 150,000. But obviously I think this is going to happen a lot earlier. Probably this year it could be an easy price to reach, even the 200,000. That I probably think will be more or less a psychological level that could start bouncing down again. We'll see how long it takes to do it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the official Coinex channel, and I'll see you next time.